Okay, so in SAP HCM, so in SAP HCM, relationship we need to be maintained in normally in real time scenario when we are started to work. So that times relationship we need to be maintained according to customer requirement. We need to be maintain a relationship in SAP HCM organization management system. What is the mean of the relationship? Relationship within the object. There are some relationship. Already I have discussed with you the relationship. What is the relationship between organization management and position? What is the relationship between position and person? What is the relationship between position and cost center? What is the relationship between position and job? So that relation, according to that relation, there are some relation ID available in SAP SCM. And also in during interview also that relationship ID asked by interviewer. Okay, what is a, well, like you will say first they will ask what is the relationship between position and person, for example. So position and person relationship, position hold by a position occupied by person and person hold the position, that is a relationship holder and occupy and person. So what is the ID of relationship ID for the holder? What is the relationship ID for the occupy? So that relationship ID they are going to be asked. And yeah, according to logic also, like org unit will be two if same org unit will be two time for like for example one position, two manager, same level manager. So what will be the relationship there? Same manager. Like for example, in a HR manager on leave, but we need to be report to the finance FICO manager for some time. So that is the same level. So in system, how I can make the changes for that relationship? If I need to be download the report, then how we are going to be do? Normally in organization management, what work which type of work we are going to be doing real time scenario and go live project? First thing is configuration, that is a configuration part in organization management related to integration table maintenance and all the table related to integration maintain. Then all the object creations using simple maintenance or export with that part. And also with the help of the customized report, we are going to upload it complete object in a SAP HM system. And creation, position creation, relationship maintenance, object deletion, object updation. If there is any error you will get during integration part or anything not going to display properly. And reporting and program report is also maximum time the customer going to ask for a standard report. They ask please provide me the report where position we can display, position and person can only display or unit only display. So such type of requirement in real time scenario we will receive from the customer end. Okay, so that relationship within object or between object we are going to be used in SAP SCM. Like there are few example I've said it here, like organization unit A and B. What is difference is A and B? If you are going to be used A, so A that means top to bottom. A we are going to use for relationship top to bottom, and B relationship like bottom to top. For when any relationship gone for top to bottom, so we are going to be used for that purpose A, and bottom to top for that purpose we are going to use the B. Okay, that is a object A and B. Relationship ID, I will show the list. What is the relationship 002? That means report line. 002 is line supervisor of 003 incorporated. 011 incorporated. So 003 also be used for incorporates, and 011 also we are going to be used for incorporates, but their IDs differ. IDs differ. So what will be relations when we are going to make the relationship between ONS and ONK? So their ID differentiation will change. Okay. So according to we need to be create that relationship ID. Relationship or position also. Position 0 belong to the org unit. Position report line to position. Position is line supervisor of position. Position cost center assignment for K. Okay, K that means cost center. So same way we can this there are few example is given here. So this is important. You can memorize this thing. During interview they will ask what is the relationship between, how we are going to be define the relationship between organization unit between position. So sometimes they will ask the complete path. So you have to say organization unit, then B, then 003 relationship ID. I will use 003 incorporates, then S V according to V. So what is the purpose of doing this? Like organization unit hierarchy, designation under an organization unit, cost center assignment, division assignment, each and everything we have to do in SAP HCM. So for relationship purpose, we need to be used evaluation path. Okay, that is one path called in SAP HCM. That's a evaluation path. What is the mean of the evaluation path? In SAP HCM, what is the info type for relationship? In organization management, info type for relationship and object. What is the info type we will use?
1000.
Yeah, correct. 1004. 1004.
Relationship.
No,
1000 to 1999.
no, that is a info
1999.
type. That is a info type range 1000 to 1999 for organization management. So I'm asking a specific info type. What is a huge? What is the meaning of the info type 1000 and 1001? There are two info types. Both are important. 1000 and 1001. So what is 1000 and what is 1001? 1000 we will use for object, okay, and 1001 we will use for relationship. We want to
Okay,
check
okay.
object, any type of object, position or unit, job, any type of object. So for that purpose we will use 1000. And relationship, what is a relationship? That which where this position assigned with the which org unit. If I'm using this word relationship, that means which type of relationship, like which position assigned under which org unit assigned under which person assigned under which position assigned under which job, okay, which cost center assigned under which position. Such type of information we will get from relationship info type. An object, I need to be check out, like under org unit how many object is created, or in system how many object is available, how many position is available, how many org unit is created, how many job is created, how many cost center is created. Okay, so this all the information we will get from 1000. Okay, and yeah, tell me.
When you say objects, what are you referring?
Object, what is SAP HR organizational structure object? Org unit, position, job, cost center, task, they all are object. Okay, in the first session I have discussed this part. Under organizational structure there are different objects to different objectives available. Object I'm referring to org unit, position, job, cost center, each and everything whatever we have created in org unit. Okay, that is object. And that is what is the use of evaluation path? Evaluation path, normally earlier I told that in organization management they are reporting is one important part. For reporting purpose we need to be use evaluation path. What is the work of evaluation path? According to according to customer requirement, we need to be download the report from the standard report or a customized report from SAP HCM system. So for that purpose we need to use the evaluation path. Like for example, customers say, please provide me the complete detail, please provide me the complete detail in Excel sheet where position belong to the person, these two relationship we need to be downloaded in SAP HCM system. Okay, so that is a requirement asked by customer. So this thing you need to be download. Okay, so for that purpose you need to be use the evaluation path. If customer say, please give me the complete list of the org unit and position and person, so according to you need to be use the evaluation path. So here are the in this thing there are few relationship is given, like 001 is subdivision of 003 belong to 008, that is holder. So this relationship ID during interview asked maximum time they are going to be asked 0001, 0002, 0003 and 0008 and 0007 sometimes. What is the use of describe 007? In which relationship we need to be used 007? Already I have discussed this part 2 times. Describe, what is the mean of describe here? In which relationship, within which object we need to make the relationship, then we will use 007. When we need to be used 007? In position, job and task. Okay, because position, job and task is described by, okay, in SAP HCM. For that purpose 008, when we will use this relationship type 008? Person, person and position.
Position.
Yeah, person and person going to hold the position. So person is a holder, So in that relationship, we need to be used. So that evaluation path we need to be maintained in table T778A. T778A, this in this table we need to be create, we need to be maintained, and we can edit and modify according to customer requirement. And customized table name is T778A. In during interview also, what which table we need to be used for evaluation path. So we have to say T778A, this table. Okay, T778A. So here one example is given, like we need to be create O, S and P. What is the mean of O and S and P? Tell me, anyone?
Organization, मतलब head of the company, and S means position, and
Yeah.
P
Position.
person, holder.
Person.
Yeah, correct.
Holder.
So organization, org unit, position, and person. So here in evaluation path, in system, they are going to prepare for O, S, and P. Okay. So see, OSP, internal person per organization, anything you can written for add it for your identification purpose. You can add anything. So O, S, and P, this relationship going to be prepared. So the first one is number, that is a sequence 10, 20, 30. You can take anything. 2 digits, so you can have 20, 30, 40, anything you can take. It's not mandate 10, 20, 30. First one, object type. Second one, A and B. Relationship, that is a relationship ID. Last one is this operative star we need to be give relation object type. So like for example, O incorporated to position. O incorporated is incorporated to position. So for that purpose they are using 003. Okay, so like why, like in B, organization unit, when organization unit going to be prepared, so organization unit going to be from top to down, it's coming from top to down, it's coming because position incorporated to O, or O like a O incorporated to position. Tell me, anyone? O
Sorry sir, क्या?
organization object, like a org unit related with position, or position incorporated with org unit. What is the relationship type? Please open the org unit document, whatever I have shared with you, org unit document. Okay, and check what is the relationship between organization unit and position. Then let me know. Just open that document in a WhatsApp group. And let me know what is it there. ONS, what is the relationship between ONS?
Belongs to and incorporates.
So here is incorporate. So what is the arrow sign is there? It's a coming top to bottom,
And bottom.
top to bottom, arrow
It's
sign.
bottom to up.
Bottom, like no, as a top to bottom. Sorry.
Top to bottom, yeah. So arrow is down, no? In that picture arrow is down. So here
Yeah.
O, B, we are B using top to bottom, A using bottom to top. So O, that means O coming, B, B that means top to bottom. Then what will be relationship? Incorporates that's why we use 003. If here it will be A, for example, in place of A, B, if I written down there like A, so what will be their relationship type? What will be relationship?
A.
Top to bottom.
No, no. Yeah, that is correct. We have I am asking in place of B, if I will add A, so in relationship ID currently sir, I think they're 0003. So what we think we need to be right there, or what will be in relationship name? If in place of B, if I will use A, then what will be relationship name?
It belongs to.
Yeah, correct. It's a belong to. Why? Because it's a, if I'm using A, that means it's a going but bottom to top. Okay, so if going bottom to top, then relationship will be changed. In place of in place of incorporate, it will be belong to. Okay, so now here is relationship O, org unit incorporated to position first, then S, position, hold the person. So we are using A. So now again check position and holder, sorry, position and person. So there, what is the relationship? A, that means arrow is going down or up. Please open that document in your mobile phone or in your laptop. You can able to see that diagram, then you can able to understand. Let me, I will,
Position to person it is going. It's going.
It occupies and holder. Bottom to top is holder and top to bottom is occupied.
yeah, now check their relationship. Okay, see, first one is the org unit and position. So org unit and position, we have used B, so that is incorporated. So it's a incorporate B, that means top to bottom, and then position and person. Person and position, what is the relationship? Holder. So what is it? If arrow is going up, so it will be A. If arrow is going down, then it will be B. Okay, now it's a symbol. If arrow is going up, then it will be A. If arrow is going down, then it will be it will be B. Okay. So here we have
So
maintained
in
A.
this case, it is bottom to top.
Yeah. So in A, it will be bottom to top. 008 in case bottom to top P. Now again O and O. So O, that means org unit. B 002 in line supervisor O. So why so we are using in line supervisor? Because both are same object O and O. Okay, it's the same same object. So that's why we are using 002 B, same object. Okay, may B, that means it's a coming top to bottom. Okay, like one HR manager, under HR manager, below there is some junior and senior HR manager. Okay, so for that purpose we are going to be. So what is the mean of this evaluation path? Evaluation path meaning is that we are going to be created according to customer requirement. Now according to this, what will be requirement? Customer want to download complete org unit with their position, with their org unit, and complete position, person, and org unit, whatever org unit and position attached and added in that org unit. So complete detail customer wants. And how to download this report? We can download this report using T code PPSS. Now I'm going to be showing a system how to create this relationship. Okay, so when we can download in such type of thing, we can able to download. Okay, and in last, there are some transaction code I have maintained in this document already. This document I have shared in a WhatsApp group today, like PPOME, PPSS, display evaluation path, PP01, PP02, maintain plant data expert mode, PP01, simple maintenance of PD. PD, that means is for development purpose, planning development. PP03 for PDXR, OOMB, create sequence file for PD. OODT, data transfer, upload the data OM data to SAP OODT. So there are few transaction standard T code is given. This T code is very important. RE RH move 30. Okay, so what is the use of this RH move 30? During interview also this T code normally asked. What is the use of RH move 30? So it's a use for the manual transport link. What is the meaning of the manual transport link? Like for example, you have created one org unit. Complete successfully, you have created one org unit in one server, and you need to be transport complete org unit from one server to another server. So for that purpose, we are going to use manual transport link, and using this T code, we can transfer within SAP landscape also, and the outside of landscape also we can do the transfer. Okay, like for example, you have created one org unit in development server. So that development server, that org unit, you can transport from development to quality, quality to production. That is one SAP SCM landscape. So now requirement, under one company there are two system, one for product, one for sales department, and another for HR department. Okay, both are separate. So now you want to move complete org unit from sales department to HR department. So for that purpose also you can use this T code, and this program you can use RE underscore RH move 30. Okay, manual transporting, nothing we have to do, just run this program, give the your org unit name, head of the org unit name, and then just a copy, and then it will be TR number which got generated. That TR number with the help of the basis consultant, you need to be moved. Okay, one another report is given, a structure display.
Only
Yeah, tell me.
we can only move all the units from one server to the server using this server.
No, Varsa, can you please be louder? Yeah, tell me again.
All unit we can move from one server to another server using this keyboard.
No, I'm not. You are asking that no, your voice is very low. Can you please be louder? Yeah, tell me again. You are asking that we can move any a single
Only
or
org unit. My question is only org unit using this T code can be moved from one server to another
yeah,
server.
yeah, only org unit, only org unit. This report we will use only for org unit, not for other thing. Okay, only for org unit. This whatever transaction code and report is maintained here. This is all
So
the
here
report.
server, when you're saying server, it is this development server to production server you're talking
Yeah, like SAP landscape, you know the SAP landscape development quality and production
about.
already I have discussed. Okay, that is a one landscape. So within landscape also we can do the transport we can move the TR from one server to another server. So in same landscape also you can move with the help of the manual transport link or your org unit from development to quality to production. So one SAP landscape for one company, like for example, you are working under Tata Group. So under Tata Group, there are two company. One is Tata Steel, one is Tata Motor. Okay. So for Tata Steel, separate SAP landscape. For Tata Steel, it's a separate separate SAP SCM landscape. Okay. Both are separate server, but it's a centralized. You have created under Tata Group this two server. Okay. For example, so now for Tata Motor, you have created org unit, successfully created each and everything. So same org unit you need to be used for Tata Steel also. Okay. So you no need to create again new all the org unit again for a Tata Steel. If you are using the same, or maybe if few changes required and everything will be same. So for that purpose, we are not going to create complete thing again. So for that purpose, you need to be use manual transport link program in a Tata Motor. So in Tata Motor, in production server or development server or quality server, you need to be maintained, you need to be run this program and create that. When you are going to be run this program, then one TR number got generated. So using this program you have to create one TR for your org unit, and that TR, when you will move from the Tata Motor server to Tata Steel server, so whatever org unit you have created in Tata Motor, that complete SAP complete org unit structure going to be transported in Tata, going to be copied in Tata Steel server. Okay, that purpose we use manual transport link in SAP SCM. Okay, now it's a clear.
So for this, if we want to transfer like
Yeah.
the TR is the reference that we use. So we should use another TR for transfer.
Voice is good. Yeah, yeah. Can you please repeat again, Varsa?
In TR, when we transport, this TR is important to remember. Like
Yeah, yeah,
one server to another server.
yeah. For TR purpose we are using, but for organization unit or unit we need to be use this manual transport link. Okay, RH move 30. For all the work we will use the TR. One thing you can able to see, like when we are going to be create org unit, there are no pop-up we will get for to TR. Okay, but in SPR whatever configuration changes we made or in table, so automatic pop-up, but there is a TR pop-up we will get to save in a TR. But when we will create the org unit position person anything, so that time we system not going to pop up to create that TR. Okay, for that purpose we will use this RH move 30 to create the manual transport link. Okay, so for that purpose we need to be create the TR number manually for our organizational structure. Okay, for org unit. Okay, so now please share the system. Who are going to share your system? Varsa, you are going to share.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I make you also, please share your screen now. So in the whatever we have discussed, any doubt, any confusion in this part, anyone related to concept, Rekha, Varsa, and Shivangi?
Or when I do the practice of audio
Okay,
session.
so today I'm going to be show the in a system how to create the evaluation path. Tomorrow, please do the practice. On Friday, we will do the revision session. Okay.
Yes, these sessions.
On Friday, we will do the revision session. Please share.
Sure. see the screen.
Yeah.
So why is this happening?
Okay, I think if you again try to log in, if again get, then you need to be connected with the Manka for the same. Okay, and do one thing, connect with the Manka for the same, she will resolve this issue. Okay, and Rekha and Shivangi, can you please check your system? You are able to do the login?
Yes, sir.
If login, then
Yes, sir. Varsha, to log in with my name, na?
yeah, of course.
SOCREKHA.
Yes, sir. I have.
Okay, Shivangi, you can able to do the login?
Yes, sir. हो गया मेरा login.
Okay. Okay, please, can you able to share your screen?
Yeah.
So there is two names showing, Rekha Thakur. So two name. Which one you need to be give the access?
The disable screen sharing. You can sharing screen से type में.
Okay, so who are going to share? Shivangi, you are going to share?
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
There is.
Yes, sir, Shivangi.
okay, okay.
Hmm.
Now I make you host, so please share your screen. So,
Yes, sir.
no, no. Now give me access. SM30 for creation of evaluation path or relationship, we will use the T code SM30. We will need to be access the table. What is the table name?
F0.
T778A. Okay, T778A. Then we need to be clipboard find maintenance dialog. Tabulation path. Then maintain. So here we need to make the new entry first. There are lots of things already a standard thing is available and customizes also. So just to be need to be create according to our example. O dash this dash T. So this is already in entry. So we in a place of P we can do PD. Yeah, OS and PD. I have D just added because ONSP is already available. That's why. So now this evolution, but name is got created. Here is consolidated. So we will now select. Now we need to create the evolution path. So here in a sequence number, anything we can give 60, 70, 80. We will using the same 10. So first which object we need to make the relationship between object of S and P. So like we will use the O for the org unit. Then relationship ID we will use the B. Then relationship type we will use P. Then it will be a star. Then relationship objective where we are going to add the relation S. First I will save, then I will show how it's going to be work. Now it will be 20. Then position relationship will be A. And what is the relationship ID we are using? Holder it is 008 star. I print P. Then O. And O. Then we will make it 80. Yeah, 10, 20. Save. Data was saved. So now we will use this one. So one keyboard PPSS for the reporting purpose. So like for example, we will download the report. O. What is your object ID? Anyone tell me what's the record Shivangi? Which org unit you have created?
I have.
Or we will selecting our which
Uh,
one? Yeah, tell me.
no. I don't know still whether that one is a organization ID or don't know what is this. 5000890.
Last time I have created IBM Test Private Limited. No? This one I'm selecting. Now I will give our relationship path O dash S dash PD. Okay. So here we now our organ is going to be displayed. So this thing COIBM and CO name. So but person is not the person is not going to be displayed here. So let me check. We'll use another person another org unit. So anyone tell me your org unit name whatever you have created.
So need to find it.
Varsa, you have created PNG, na? Or I think some other person.
So try this one, HP power transmission.
HP, so this one, HP power transmission. This one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now so have you added any person in this thing or not? Person?
No, sir. By that time, I was getting that error, na.
Acha. Okay.
So
Okay.
yes, sir.
So now it's working. So same way. So now what thing you have to say like if customer say please download the report. So from here you can just find out or this evaluation path you can use. So when you are going to be run any type of report in SAP organization management. So in every report they will ask the evaluation path name. Okay. So you can give your evaluation path name. And one thing just I would like to show here like if I'm going to remove that one, let me do one thing just for testing purpose. So here now complete thing is showing under organization unit. So now I will going to delete last one. Okay, for example, then I will check which thing going to be displayed. So last one we have deleted. Lesson SS into thinking expectation. No. Yeah. Now anyone tell me why it's happening? If I'm deleted that part, then why only one org unit we are getting?
Because the relationship that was A and B.
No, not somehow correct. Tell me why other org unit create deleted? Because what
That
will
was
be last? In last we have what will be in last? In last
that.
there we have added the one sequence number, one relationship we have maintained, that O and O. So according to this example, only relationship showing O, like that under org unit, whatever position is available that going to be displayed, and under position whatever person is available that going to be displayed. But I'm not giving command here under org unit whatever org unit create, because org unit we are going to create under org unit, okay, not under position or person. So that's why we what was the last step? O and O, like where you org unit, and then we have given B, and then we have given the relationship was 002 for line supervisor. Now it's a star by default, and then O. So what is the mean of this last one line? That we are going to make the I want to display under org unit whatever org unit is created, that need to be displayed. Okay, this line this line means last one line means under org unit whatever org unit is created, under org unit whatever org unit is created that need to be displayed. Okay, now enter. And that means, yeah, if I'm going to be delete 20, this sequence if I'm going to be delete, then what will happen? Anyone tell me? If I'm going to delete, remove this 20, so how the report is going to be displayed?
The holder is not showing at that time.
Yeah, correct. Not holder will not display under position. Okay, and if I'm going to delete the last line, then what will happen? Last line only. If I'm going to delete, then
Then same sequence is not showing
no,
that
under
time.
org unit, whatever org unit we have created under may head org unit, it will not going to be display. Okay, what is happening currently? If I have deleted the last line under org unit to org unit, so only single org unit name is going to be displayed. Under this SP power transmission, whatever org unit created, it's not going to be displayed. Okay, that's fine. So it's a, for example, so, for your understanding purpose, I'm giving the different example. But in real time scenario, according to customer, what is the customer requirement? Customer requirement, that means when you are going to be run any type of report in SAP SCM. Okay. So for that purpose, you need to be use the evaluation path. Like for example, just to run one report. Now I'm going to save this one.
Sir, there is one confusion.
Yeah.
This one last line, O to O relationship is always be taken by, like there is a, can we use a relationship O to O?
O to whatever you want you can do, but according to logical. Okay, like for example, where you want O to O, you want to a here. See, if I'm going to be write there a, then see system will give the error. Or if you are going to save this one, then see how the this one is going to be work. Now I make it a. So now so this part. Now again I'm going to run this report. I have make that relationship a slash n ppss enter. Enter. We have make the relationship between O. So still it's also showing in a relationship. Also it's a showing. Okay, but
It is
normally
same
we,
sir.
yeah, it's the same. Whatever we have added there, A and B. but we are showing A. So A, that means top to bottom, bottom to top. So A, that means top to bottom. It's a report line 2. Now it's changing 000 to, previously it was line supervisor. Okay, when I enter here A, it's a report line 2. Okay, so under org unit to org unit is showing A. If I'm taking, then it's the same thing going to be displayed in this system. Okay, same thing is going to be displayed, nothing is difference. All the under org unit, whatever org unit is line supervisor or is line supervisor or is reporting line, so each and everything going to be displayed. Okay, so what is the difference? No, there is a difference is line supervisor and in report line. So under any org unit we have created the org unit, it's showing under is line supervisor. So his line supervisor also is a reporting line. Okay, so both are same in somehow, it's both are same. His line supervisor also is reporting to their head of the org unit, like their one org unit created project, so this project is project org unit going to be report to HP power transmission. Each line supervisor Kullu zone. Kullu zone is also going to be added to the going to report to HP power transmission, and Kullu zone also going to report to the project. Project is also going to report to the HP power distribution. So according to, it's going to be display the same thing because in meaning both are same. So also you can make changes. Whatever is your doubts, like you can check, like in place I have written A. People say no, I will write the B here, then I will see how the system going to be work. So it's a for example. So please enter the allowed. So this relationship not going to be allowed, the system will give the error. Okay, it's a depends. According to it will be allowed, the system will not give the error. Now first one I'm going to make the change. In place of B, I'm going to be write A. Okay.
It's
No.
also error.
Yeah, that is not this will be not. So under O and O I can use A and B also. Okay, whatever you can, if it's same object, so you can use A and B and B, anything you can use. Okay, but O and A is one or unit, one object to another object, you need to use a separate one. Okay, otherwise system will give the error.
Because it's
This
hierarchy
you
then
need
and
to be clear.
same level.
Yeah, same level we can use A, same A or B. I think it's not going to be effective. Okay, no, but sometimes, so if few example is given, so not affected here, but in real time scenario, if there lots of things will be created, so that time we need to be select the separate. So but in report line 2 and quite subdivision, so it both is a synonyms, we can say it's a synonyms, both are same. Okay, so any doubt, any confusion in evaluation path, I think you have to do the practice. You need to be create according to your example. And this evaluation path is very, very important when you are going to be run any type of report. Okay. Like for example, I'm going to be run one report like slash n is underscore a r underscore. So like org unit name, just to give the name of your org unit.
5000
1 000
5005
5 000
8290.
8290. See here, complete thing you can check like that. Pune IBM. So it's a IBM test. Okay. So using this report you can use. Okay. That is this is a report for the organizational structure with position. It's already given. This report using for organizational structure with position. That's not anything specific. So that's why that's evaluation for the option is not doing, because already this report we use for the specific requirement. Organizational structure with position. That requirement. Okay. Now I'm going to run the another report. So in a SAP standard, SAP standard, lots of report is available. Uh, yes. I will provide the
So that time for
pardon.
That type of work is done by consultant, FICO consultant
Yeah,
or HR.
you are asking about the T code.
FICO consultant. Like right now, we working this type of
Or
stuffs.
unit part completing done by the SAP. I think this is not SAP. Uh,
That is company code.
oh,
Company
company,
code
yeah,
need.
company code created by company and company code created by the FICO consultant. Okay, company and company code created by the FICO consultant, and organization structure, reporting is and everything created by the HR consultant in real time scenario. Okay. Okay, then do one thing. Please do whatever we have covered. So please do the practice. Okay. So on Friday we will do the revision session for SAP organizational management and personal whatever we have covered till now. So on Friday we will do the revision session. Okay. So please be available everyone on Friday because revision session is very important. Whatever we have covered, each and everything we will discuss. If any doubt, any confusion, or maybe any revision session is required for any specific topic, then let me know. I will do the revision session. Okay. And interview related question also we will discuss on Friday related to PA and OM, which will be very important. That part also I will discuss. Okay, on Friday.
Sir, I have an error simple maintenance. So will you solve on Friday or Tuesday?
Yeah. So show me which error you are getting. Show me.
Uh, no. Uh, Sir, actually we use in. Sir, there is three type of method: simple maintenance and
Simple
restarting
maintain
and
not three type.
extending.
Whatever we are using the T code PPOME, that means create, PPOC, that is change, PPOME for display. So it's a only single T code, but create, display and change for we are using PPOME, PPOCE, PPOME, CE, and one thing is also there.
Sir, yes, this one. There is a O under to O. This will showing as, but I want to change as. I want to use under O this O. Then there is no working drag and drop right now. Like
So you want to under this Parul Enterprises, you want to create Goa. So if you want to create any other org unit under this.
no, no, not other. I just want to like HR manager जो under O आ रहा है इसको मुझे गोवा के नीचे रखना है.
Okay,
Like
Parul
पारुल
is
के नीचे
Parul
गोवा
HR
गोवा
manager.
के नीचे मैंने.
Okay, so then
Yes,
you
sir.
need to just select, give me access here. No, drag and drop. Yeah, it comes under Parul HR manager under Goa.
How can sir कैसे आया मेरे से नहीं आ रहा था ये से.
You need to drag and drop, just enter and select, just press the left cursor and then drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop normally. Okay, just select करके आपको ऊपर कर देना है, drag and drop. देखिए चला गया. Now do under below. Parul Enterprises go, drag and drop, select and cursor down. Yeah.
It's not working.
Yeah, not second.
Yeah, it's working. Yes, sir.
Okay, then please do the practice, everyone. On Friday, we will do the revision session for organization management. So Friday will be our last session for organization management. So we have covered personal administration and the basic understanding of the organization management and of the SAP and SAP method also. Yeah, Rekha, tell me.
Sir, what was the priority in the evaluation path? I wanted to know that column.
Priority in so okay, that a star one.
So yes, sir.
Yeah, so that a star one just by default is a given. A star priority we have given the star. A star that means normally
Okay.
just like for example in social media we're using a hashtag. Okay, to
Yes, sir.
finding out anything. So
Hmm.
that's why we have given. So normally you can also see when we are going to be in simple maintenance finding anything. So we are going giving the name and then we are giving the star.
Okay.
So whatever position is a star, that means whatever thing is available. If I'm going to make the relationship between org unit and position, so under org unit, whatever position is available. So under org unit, again we are going to giving a star and organization unit. So whatever organization unit is available. So this means whatever is available, that going to be displayed. Okay, that's it. A star we are using it
Okay, sir.
like in the social media we are using hashtag, that with the help of the hashtag we can find out whatever comes according to that hashtag. So same thing in a SAP we are using the star. Okay, for prioritize whatever is a
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay,
Sir,
sir. Sir,
I
please solve my that T503 error.
okay, okay, let me check. Shivangi, just to go to SM13, just to solve the Rekha error, just to go to SM30, enter the slash n SM30
no.
slash n SM30 SM30.
Which
Yeah,
one? Rekha? This
T503
one?
T503 table, enter.
T503.
Yeah, now find maintenance dialog. Yeah,
This
select
one.
the
All.
view. Yeah.
Select.
What is your employee group?
All.
What is your employee group, Rekha?
Employee group, sir.
What is your employee?
B. I
It's
I kept
three
it
is
B.
position.
Need to play
Yeah,
B.
Rekha.
Uh, B.
Okay.
Employees B8.
Initial this one. So okay. So here you need to give
Yes,
one
sir.
for the initial hiring and
1.
implementation three for the active employee. Okay. Now your error will resolve. Okay. Please do the create the hiring. Or let me check. I will do. I will do. I will do. Yeah.
All. Okay.
Okay.
Slash n PA40 enter.
Sir, here is also my error. I can't do hiring in my company. I don't know what's happening.
Pardon?
In PA40, I could not.
Okay, Khan. So now you can able to do. Okay, so now you can able to do the
Okay,
hiring.
sir.
So please do the practice.
Sir, what was, yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, what was the reason why this error came?
because we need to be under employee group and employee subgroup. We need to make the relationship. We need to maintain the grouping for this employee
Okay.
group. For which purpose we are going to be using? It's for initial hiring or it's for active employee. For which purpose we are going to be assigned? Okay. So in PA40
Okay.
we should run the action. So we need to be here make
Okay,
that
sir.
this employee group we are going to be using for the action initial hiring or which purpose we are going to be use that. That's the reason we need. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
if any table error you will get, same thing you have to do. Go to SM30 and check that table, whatever you need to be detailed. Okay. In real time
Okay,
scenario.
sir. Okay, sir. I will work on at that.
Okay, so, okay. Okay, then please do the practice everyone. On Friday we will connect. Okay, and we will do the revision
Sir,
session.
sir.
Yeah,
This
Shivangi.
is when I'm hiring my company's employee, then here is also error showing
Yeah.
about the numbering
What is
number
it?
range.
Number. So for number range, I
Yeah,
have already told Shivangi, Shivangi, that you need to be check your number in assignment. Okay.
sir. Share after you WhatsApp. That was my error. So just a second. Sir, when I am hiring my employee, then there is such an error.
Just select your personal your
Yeah. Mhm.
Action type. Just to give me 0101 directly. So now you have created positions, so no need to use 999. When you will do the hiring, select your position, whatever you have. Yeah, enter. Yeah, it's a save it. No,
Yeah, yeah.
save your entry. You have, I think you have ticked in your number range. You have select the manual number range. Sorry, external number range. That's why the system is giving the error. Now save. That's creation object not allowed. Okay, why is it showing like that? Because in number range you have selected, I think, external. So you need to be enter some employee number. Let me check slash n PA04. Give me access. Slash n PA04. Not able to enter. Shivangi, please enter PA04.
Yeah. Sir, it's not working.
PA04 for a number range. PA04. T code PA04. Enter. Which interval? Yeah. Which one you have created? Show me. What is your
85.
sequence?
85.
Yeah, no.
This one. Okay, then.
85 is not here.
Sir, there is no option to search.
No, no. Which one you have created? What is your sequence number here? Which one you have created?
And someone is not remind, but numbering is 85. That there is no.
Yeah, no tick mark is here. So maybe why? Okay, so let me show that number range, or otherwise I will check in a feature. Okay, let me do one thing. Just to go to PE03, PE03. Slash n PE03. If one screen is already open, then we will add the prefix slash n PE03 slash n slash n PE03. Feature, enter the feature number. Yeah, select your country, company code plus. No need to create. Just to show me Maruti Motor.
No, no, no. It's not mine, sir. My company code was RIENT.
No, so your company code is not added here. Okay, so select your this thing and then create. Then select your company number. Then select your number. Sorry, sequence number, and then define there according to whatever we have done. Okay, so this part is
Okay,
missing.
okay, sir.
So you have to do this part. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, then please do the practice, everyone. On Friday again we will connect. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, everyone. Okay. Bye.
Thank you.